In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with PayPal. This is an essential step for any online store owner looking to provide their customers with a seamless, secure, and convenient payment option. By enabling PayPal, you'll open your doors to millions of users who prefer or exclusively use this method to shop online. So let's dive right in and set it up together. First, you want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin page. This is the hub where you manage all aspects of your store. Once there, look for the Settings option. If you're familiar with the layout, it's usually at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings to access the area where you can configure various features of your store. Within Settings, you'll find a variety of options, but today, our focus is on payments, so go ahead and select Payments. This will take you to the section where you can manage and configure how your store handles transactions. When you reach the Payments section, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the PayPal area. Here you'll see an option to either complete setup or activate PayPal Express Checkout. Click on this option to move forward. The system will prompt you to authorize the integration. For this, you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. It's important to have your PayPal login credentials handy at this stage. Simply log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once logged in, you will need to give permission for this integration. Click on the button that says, I give permission. This step authorizes the connection between your Shopify store and PayPal, allowing them to communicate and process payments on your behalf. After giving permission, you'll be redirected back to Shopify. Here, you're given the flexibility to choose your payment capture method. You have two options: automatically capture payments or manually capture them at a later stage. Choosing automatically capture means transactions will be processed and funds will be transferred to your account immediately after a customer completes their purchase. This is often the preferred option for businesses that want to streamline operations and ensure a quick payment collection process. On the other hand, manually capture later is beneficial if you want to review orders before finalizing charges. It provides an extra layer of verification, which some businesses may find valuable depending on their model. Once you've decided on a payment capture method that suits your business needs, make sure to click Save. This finalizes the setup and activates PayPal for your Shopify store. There you have it. The integration is complete. By following these steps, you've successfully set up PayPal on your Shopify store, offering a trusted payment option to your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!